Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a deep dive into beauty products with expert insights. Now, let's talk about a product that promises healthier, stronger nails and a professional-grade finish at home. The Sally Hansen Color Therapy Beautifiers Nail Corrector. It's a 0.35 nail treatment designed to nourish and strengthen nails while correcting imperfections like ridges. If you've been dealing with brittle or uneven nails, this could be a game changer for your nail care routine. The Sally Hansen Color Therapy Nail Corrector combines the nourishing benefits of argan oil with a formula aimed at providing intense hydration and strength to your nails. It's touted as a treatment that not only improves the look of your nails, but also works as a nail hardener. When you apply it, you're not just priming your nails for polish, you're offering them the nourishment they need to feel stronger and healthier over time. This product targets two main nail issues: brittleness and ridges. If you've ever felt self-conscious about deep ridges or weak nails that constantly chip, the Color Therapy Beautifiers Nail Corrector promises to address those issues. After using it, I noticed that it worked subtly but effectively in smoothing the texture of my nails, making them feel firmer and more resilient. Application is pretty straightforward. Simply apply a thin layer of the nail corrector under your regular nail polish. This gives you a base that not only preps your nails, but also helps conceal imperfections as it provides a smooth surface for your favorite nail color. I've used this both with and without nail polish on top, and it definitely helps to improve the look of my natural nails even on its own. In terms of performance, the treatment feels lightweight and doesn't leave a sticky or greasy residue. The argan oil in the formula is an absolute highlight. It's nourishing without being too heavy. For anyone with dry, brittle nails, this will feel like a treatment and a shield in one. My nails felt noticeably less brittle after just a few uses, and the appearance of ridges softened, which was a great plus. Now let's talk about pros and cons. On the plus side, it provides an immediate improvement in nail texture and offers great nourishment, especially for nails that need a little TLC. It's easy to incorporate into your routine and doesn't require much time or effort, just a quick coat under your nail polish. Plus, it's a great option for those who want salon-quality results at home. On the downside, I found that, like many treatments, consistency is key. It's not a miracle worker that will solve all nail problems in one go. You need to use it regularly to see long-term benefits. And if you're expecting instant results for deeply damaged nails, it may take some time. As for value, at around $7 for a 0.35 bottle, it's pretty affordable considering the quality and the added benefits of argan oil, which is a staple ingredient in many high-end beauty treatments. For anyone who struggles with brittle nails, this is a solid investment. But if you're just looking for a one-time solution for minor nail issues, there may be cheaper alternatives. Still, the combination of strength building and nourishment is something worth considering if you're looking for long-term care. Compared to other nail treatments on the market, Sally Hansen's offering stands out for its use of argan oil, a luxurious ingredient known for its hydrating properties. Many similar products focus primarily on strengthening, but miss the nourishment angle. This formula, though, offers both, which sets it apart in terms of holistic care for nails. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The product comes in a small bottle with a precise applicator that makes it easy to apply without wasting any product. I also appreciate that the formula is lightweight and dries quickly, so it doesn't take up much time in your beauty routine. If you've been on the hunt for a product to improve the health of your nails, this one is worth considering. It's affordable, nourishing, and easy to use, making it a great option for anyone who wants stronger, healthier-looking nails without the salon price tag. So, does it live up to its claims? Absolutely. The Sally Hansen Color Therapy Nail Corrector is a fantastic choice for anyone dealing with brittle nails or unsightly ridges. Its nourishing ingredients like argan oil truly work, and with consistent use, you'll notice improvements in both the texture and strength of your nails. It's not a miracle product, but for everyday maintenance and improvement, it does the job well. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the product in the description box. Have you tried the Sally Hansen Color Therapy Nail Corrector? Drop a comment below and let me know what your experience has been like. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.